Focus is a superpower, and in today's noisy world, it's rare. It's golden, and it's yours. You don't need more time. You need more intention. Every scroll, every notification, every distraction is stealing your future in small bites. But here's the truth. Discipline beats motivation, and clarity kills confusion. So here's the formula. Start your day with purpose, not your phone. Work in silence. Let your results do the talking. Cut the noise, physically and mentally. Protect your energy like your life depends on it, because it does. You're not tired. You're just distracted. You're not unmotivated. You're unfocused. Lock in. The world needs your gift, but first, you need to give yourself your full attention.